And we're at the centenary event. Oh, hang on, someone's just.
What's this guy doing here?
I'm just trying to do a video on this car, if you don't
videos.
mind.
I like videos. What are you videoing?
I'm going to talk about the story of Old Speckled Hen and why it's called that.
Oh, I remember. It's because it's made from chickens.
No, that's not right.
It's definitely made from chickens.
Do you mind if I just carry on with my video?
No.
So in the Rover factory in Longbridge, there was a chassis, rolling chassis.
No, there wasn't. There was a Sharon.
Do you mind if I just...
remember Sharon.
Sharon.
She got a lot upstairs, like big hair. I mean.
Okay, so if you don't mind, just let me.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, there was this old chassis rolling around the Longbridge factory, and
them wheels.
And it was covered in paint, and I used it to kind of drive between various bits of the factory.
Which bits of the factory?
All the bits of the factory.
Which ones though?
Like the paint shop, the production line.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I used to work on there.
Did you? What did you do?
My name's Norman Buttler. I don't know whether you know me.
No.
Oh. Okay.
Why are you wearing fancy dress?
This is my old stuff from work.
Oh right. When did you finish working at Rover then?
Yesterday.
Oh dear. Anyway, if you don't mind, I'm going to carry on because I'm trying to make a video here, as you can see.
Yeah. Someone here having
yeah.
a sandwich.
So this car was called Old Speckled, and yeah, it's hang on, this bloke's coming. He's flipping following me.
Nice car, isn't it?
Yeah. So this old car was called Old Speckled, and Moreland Brewery decided to use that as a name, and that's why you've got the octagon logo for Old Speckled Hen. It's the same octagon.
You know the octagon?
Yeah, sorry. I'm trying to make a video.
You know the octagon?
Yeah, no, that's an octagon.
No, in America.
Yeah.
It's nothing to do with that.
It is.
It's not, and that's Pentagon anyway. I don't know what I'm on about.
No, that's a American government building, Norman.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Nothing to do with MG.
Yeah. So if I could just carry on with my video.
Yeah, go on. Sorry, young man.
So yeah, so that's where the octagon came from.
Here.
So
this is the octagon here.
Oh, for goodness sake. This is where the octagon came from. I'm going to have to edit this out because this old guy is just, I don't know, some sad old mechanic.
Do you know anything about cars at all?
Well, yeah, I'm quite enthusiastic to cars.
Oh,
I've got a YouTube channel called Beards and Bangers.
Oh, I've heard of that.
Have you?
Yeah.
Do you watch it?
Yeah.
Oh, what's it about then, Norman?
It's about sausages in hairy faces. I think I might be confusing it with other subscriptions I have.
Okay, you subscribe to it, do you?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice of you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But if you want to continue subscribing, I'd actually like to make a video, so I've got something to put on my channel.
We need more Louis the Cat, by the way. Louis the Cat's great.
Oh, he knows Louis. Oh, he must be a subscriber. So I thought it was just some sad old man that turned up and started haranguing me. But anyway,
I am a sad old
so
man.
this MGB has actually been wrapped with the Old Speckled Hen logo. So we won't go into any more detail about why.
You need a cameraman.
Sometimes I feel like I do, and maybe a security guard to stop people haranguing me and interrupting me.
Someone else likes this car.
He does this, yeah.
Well, I like the beer as well.
The beer's very nice. Try it with cheese and biscuits.
Yes.
Old Speckled Hen with cheese and
Doing
biscuits.
recipes now.
Yeah, it's seriously good combination.
I can
So,
imagine.
yeah.
I hope this man doesn't mind being on film.
Not at all.
Good.
No. So yes, this car's been wrapped.
Is it being wrapped around a tree? Is that what you're trying to say? Is it broken?
No, I'm sure the owner drives it carefully, Norman. So,
I thought there was something strange about it.
Chrome bomb. So D-Reg, that's what, 1960, about 64, I think, something like that.
Yeah,
64.
That's when I was born.
Really? I'd say you're much older than that, Norman.
I've got a 73.
Have you? Oh, the band have just piped up. So,
what's that racket?
so yeah, that's going to be really nice to hear those jolly people singing on this lovely sunny day.
Blooming nuisance. Right, I'll leave you to it.
Yeah, F off.
All right, bye, banger man.